Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we're taking a look into the charts, and we're starting off with the S&P 500 and the Dixie and the Nasdaq Top 100 like always. The Nasdaq had a little, the Nasdaq over here had a little breakdown, also did the S&P 500 and together with the Dixie. Very rare to happen that together, because usually it is like either the Dixie or the S&P 500, for example. The weekly chart for Dixie, this was the 2017 bull market for Bitcoin and crypto. And what do we have over here? This was March, and you could see that Dixie topped out at March. And then we had, a perfect bull market for Bitcoin, really. So zoom in a little bit. And we have a nice bearish engulfing on the weekly already. And we just wanted to go down more. To zero we want to go it. Yeah, but make it want to go. The S&P 500 bigger picture is this. And this is something we are in right now. Not looking that pretty on a lower time frame. But I mean, we can clearly see this line broke. Retests, supports plenty, a lot, but they can break as well. So I am leaning a bit bearish on everything, to be honest. I think over here, look at this, like you see premiums getting very high, funding's getting very high, and we're seeing the same over here. So I think we will come down now for a little bit, just to reset that. Make people sell the bottom before we can go up again. Because over here, we see those premiums and discounts perfectly line up. If you want to trade on this, contact me. I can help you with that. Because technical analysis is one thing, but sentiment like this is really what you want to trade on. There are also a lot of people who do not believe in technical analysis because they only trade on sentiment, for example. They just look at the bets. And that is what it is actually. But I use both. I use technical analysis combined, simple technical analysis combined with sentiment. If you want to know more about it, contact me. I'm selling a course in it as well. And I will help you understand it until you understand it. I'm a nice teacher in that regard. Anyway, this is what we're seeing for Bitcoin. Right now, I think we're either doing a bearish retest, but I think we will go up from here. Because what I'm seeing on a smaller time frame is something like this. Something like this. I posted it on Twitter as well. Zoom in a little bit more, and I see this. A falling wedge. Falling wedges usually are bullish. So this is what I'm seeing on a smaller time frame. Broke out to the upside over here. And that is good. We had a lot of over-leveraged longs getting liquidated today. And that is good as well. We need to get them out before we can go up again. That's actually a bullish dump. We perfectly tested the VPVR over here. Look how beautiful it works. You need to have TradingView Premium to be able to see this, the VPVR over here. It's the volume per range. But I mean, it's still looking good, but things that are worrying me is one of this. 28% of Americans bought GameStop or other viral stocks in January. I mean, retail getting this involved. I'm seeing that in crypto as well. If I'm talking about shorting anything, I get questions of, why do you hate this? And it's not hate. I just want to make money, and so do you. And it's not hating. I was talking about Dogecoin, by the way. Elon Musk twittered about Dogecoin a couple times again today, and this was all they got. I shorted it over here on Sunday evening. Elon kept tweeting about Dogecoin, and at one point the effect was gone of it, and I just shorted it. I took profit over here, and today he tweeted again about it, but there's just no power in it anymore. It's just going to zero. And that's about it. Same for Doge BTC. It's just going to zero, guys. Sorry. It's just, you cannot do anything with it. Anyway, looking at other YouTube influencers, you know, you would see the most cringe-worthy thumbnails. Of course, in the long term, I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin. But yeah, it's almost like we need them to sell the bottom before we can go up again. And if you're a hodler, you know, do not panic. We know for sure in the long run Bitcoin will go over the 100K. For now, I'm just a bit like people who have nothing with trading, nothing. No, they're just FOMOing in right now. And that could be, yeah, I don't know. If they FOMO in with 100x, you know, like they will get squeezed, you know. So ideally, you know, a flush. I don't think it's going to happen now, but a flush below here, you know, just to take those long boys out, would give us higher now. I do think we will go up from here, but sooner or later, you know, like if I talk to people, to new people, they do not even believe in the possibility of Bitcoin going down. And that is basically kind of a top signal. They just think you're lying if you're telling them, well, we can see corrections, and they're just not believing you. So yeah, Ethereum looking very good over here. And yeah, just if you zoom out, you know, you can see a very big channel of it. I will take a snap of it. I have the chart over here. I mean, I could just draw it over here, but I have it over here. This is the time frame I have on. Look at there. I'm using a lot of screens here, so I just took a snap of it. I mean, this is the channel I'm looking for at for Ethereum, looking pretty good. And yeah, we're going higher. I'm definitely bullish on Ethereum. Ethereum BTC as well. But like I said, you know, if Bitcoin does its thing, BTC ratios will suffer a little bit. Long term, you know, it will still go to 0.054. That's my target. Doge, we already talked about that, will go to 0. Matic did some whoa shit today. Yeah, Payet added, or Sandeep, I don't know his name anymore. Yeah, in the charts, you know, clear breakout, all-time high, and yeah, it did make a run for it. It definitely did the last few days. Targets, I don't know, use Fibonacci levels or short it here. I would short it probably. It's just going a bit too wild. SNX looking quite good. I heard comparisons between AF and SNX, saying this was AF at $50. I like to believe that. I do not know much about Davy, but I know, what I know, I heard from smart people, SNX is looking good, SNX will pump. So, I mean, yeah, I trust those smart people. I don't know a lot about DeFi. I know a lot about charts and sentiment. So I trade on that, but DeFi is something you sometimes can pick up free money like I did with AF. Link has some more chart history. We can take a look at the chart. Yeah, it just looks good over here. All-time highs. Where to take profit? Let's draw something. Price discovery, either want to have trend lines or something you want to have to come up. If this breaks to the upside, it is very much bullish, and I don't know, easy target would be $50. People ask me, is that possible? Yeah, that's definitely possible. Moon coins can do very weird things. And Link is a moon coin. I prefer to trade with leverage on Bitcoin, but some moon coin plays, you know, I don't know, we're in it for the money, let's be honest. Definitely possible. I do not like Link BTC over here. They made this very good trade, and since then they're just been like dying down again. So I do not like that. Anyway, fundings need to reset to go higher, and they just did. The predicted fundings are coming down a lot. Yesterday we were at Bybit, we were at 0.35% funding, and yeah, I was longing, you know, but every funding period I was just handing over my profits to the short boys. So, and that's not funny. Like I said, if you wanna know more about trading, you know, and how to make money in this and need some help in it, some guidance, you can contact me. And yeah, this is just going a bit too far in my opinion. Those thumbnails, you know, like I said, people at the moment do not even believe stuff can go down, and that is something that's worrying me a little bit, because that means stuff can go down very hard. And yeah, retail is flowing in very hard. We can see it here of the new weekly YouTube views of influencers, and also subreddits, you know. So yeah, it is all spiking a lot. Retail is coming, and Elon definitely gave it a good push. Right now, I am a little bit, yeah, like I said, people think I hate on a coin when I think it's going down, and that is, I don't know, it tells me something, you know, of people getting overly excited, and that we're, yeah, getting into dangerous waters. Of course, the S&P 500 doesn't look that bad. Dixie looks bad, which is bullish. Yeah, I will trade a bit more cautious. I usually do not short that much, only the easy shorts. Right now I don't see an easy short. Right now I'm even in a small long. But yeah, I am a little bit more getting cautious right now. Fundings are getting reset at the moment, which is good. And yeah, I mean, I'm in a long for Bitcoin. Right now I'm a little bit cautious just because people are getting overly bullish. I just want to see discounts a little bit more, and then I will go for longing balls again. And yeah, let me know what you want to see in my videos, what you want to hear. If you like my honest view of the market, or do you want to have moon mission predictions? They're definitely there, and in the long term we will go to 100k easily. I will never sell Bitcoin, spot Bitcoin. We'll always keep it. I'm in here for the long run. I'm in here for a long time already. But yeah, things can correct, and it can come down. It can end pretty soon. So yeah, I am a bit cautious in that. I already told you guys. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you want to hear in my videos. And if you want some help in trading, like I said, I'm selling a course, how to be an easy scalper. See you guys again tomorrow.